Hello everyone. In continuation with respect to the advantages of the composite, even the composite materials can be tailored to compile the broad range of thermal expansional desire requirement and minimizes the thermal stresses. The manufacturing and also the assembly of the simplified because of the part integration or the joints or it may be the fastening of the components can also be reduced, by which automatically the cost of the assembly will be reduced. The improved weatherability of the composites in the marine environment is a major factor in the marine industries, where the corrosion resistance and durability reduces the downtime for the maintenance. The close tolerances can also be easily achieved without any machining operations, which is normally adopted in the case of the conventional materials. The materials is reduced because of the composite parts, and the structures are frequently built to the shape rather than that of the machine to the required configuration, as a common with the metals. Now, the excellent heat sink properties can also be achieved very easily in the case of the composite advantages, especially the carbon fibers combined with their light weight have extended their application in the aircraft industries, that too especially in the brakes. The improved friction and as well as wear properties can be achieved in the case of the composite materials. The ability to tailor the basic material property of the laminate has also allowed for a new approach to the design of the aeroelastic flight structures can be easily designed in the case of the composite than the conventional materials. The limitations of the composites, as we know that any material will have the advantages and as well as the disadvantages. There are a few limitations with respect to the composites also. Some of the disadvantages or the limitations are associated with the composites are the high cost of raw material and as well as the fabrication. The composites are more brittle than that of the metals, and those are more easily damaged. The transverse properties may be weakens the composite. The matrix is weak, therefore the low toughness is achieved in the case of the composite material. The reuse and also the disposable is another environmental major difficulty in the case of the composite. The joining of the composite is another major problem in the case of the composites. Repairing introduces a new problem for the following reason. The material requires a refrigerated transport and the storage and have a limited shelf life. The hot cure is necessary in many cases, requires a special tooling, and also analysis is difficult for the composites. The matrix is subjected to environmental degradation. However, the proper design and the material selection can overcome the disadvantages in the case of the composite. As you know that the composites are more advantageous than that of the disadvantages, even with respect to the applications also is more. Now, applications of the PMCs. Most widely, the FRPs are used in the case of the laminar structures, which are made by stacking and bonding a thin layer of the fiber and a polymer until a desired thickness is obtained. By varying the fiber orientation among the layers, a specified level of anisotropy in property can also be achieved in the case of the laminates. The applications with respect to the PMCs, even a parts like a thin cross sections can also be fabricated very easily in the aircrafts, like either it may be the fuselage section, or it may be the automobile section, or even the truck body panels, or even the boat hulls. Aerospace industries are having a major application with respect to the PMCs, that too especially carbon epoxy PMCs. Automobile industries are also having a application like epoxy based PMCs. The springs and the bumper systems are also used, having a major application with respect to the composites. The fiberglass reinforced plastic has been used for the boats, hulls, and even the fishing rods or tennis rackets, golf club, shafts, helmets, skis, bows, arrows, etc. Now, in further, we will discuss in depth with respect to the particular applications. Application in the case of the spacecraft, antenna structures, either it may be a solar reflectors, satellite structures, radars, rocket engines, aircraft jet engines, the turbine blades, turbine shafts, compressor blades, aerofoil surfaces, wing box structures, fan blades, flywheels, engine bay doors, the rotor shafts in the case of the helicopters, helicopter transmission structures are some of the application in the case of the spacecraft application. The bearing material. Bearing materials, like either it may be in the case of the pressure vessels or abrasive materials, electrical machineries, or truss members, cutting tools, electrical brushes, etc. Automobile engines, in automobiles, the bodies, the pistons, cylinders, connecting rods, crankshafts, bearing materials, etc. If you take an example of the engine, as we know that engine where the high temperature application is a major criteria. In these cases where the MMCs plays a major role.